belt's way quieter, way smoother than the other setup. I'm going to ramp it up on the pendant here up to 3,000. I got all that all set up. I had to go from 100 hertz max on my VFD to 150 because I'm about 1.5 to 1 ratio between the motor and the spindle, and use that opportunity to gain a little more torque. So I'm changing these pulleys. I got 8,000 available on the motor, so 4,500 on the motor is not really working it. So let's ease it up here and listen to it. See how nice and quiet that is? Now we do have a little flop, just over 2,000 RPM. I've tried different tensions and different things, and I don't know quite what to make of it. I think I'm just going to put a idler on it and done. There's our flop. That's about 1,600 there out here. It seems to get better every time I run it. Maybe the belt just needs to be broke in. I don't know. It was flopping so bad it was actually tapping on this side of the cover. You see there's an easy half-inch in there, and I actually knocked this side of the cover because it was really close. That's 3,000 RPM on the spindle. I'm not yelling at the phone. It's just smooth and quiet. I think you can ask for any better than that. I may just leave it alone and let it flop. Find my cable's back over there anyway. I don't want to get into my motor control cable. That's what's crashing. Maybe the belt just needs to be broken a little bit. I certainly got rid of that high-pitched whine. That's 3,000 right there. Wide open. And you can't ask for no better than that. I mean, before you could hear the other one squeaking. This thing is quiet as a church mouse.